So this repair is on a old school Kenmore dryer, and the customer complaint was the dryer would not turn on. And she showed me a picture of the door switch, so she thought the door switch was fine. But as you can see, it was kind of hard to see. The door switch actually broke in half, which is very common, and it caused the door not to fully contact the switch. Also, this design where the door comes down has a lot of issues. Not because of the design, it's because of human behavior, right? You tend to set your laundry basket on that door, or small children they'll stand on it, or whatever. So this door, another issue it has is it won't close all the way, and usually it's because it's been bent down, and so and I do have another video I'll link in the description on how you can fix that with just a rubber mallet or a hammer or something, and you can bend them back into place. So here's a little. This is a little trick I use to open it. So as you know, excuse me, you take out the top screws, make sure they don't fall down in there by securing them with your hand. And here, I use the technique where I just pull the dryer top forward on each side and just lift it up. There's two clips there. You can see those two clips right there in black. Or you can just do it the normal way and just put a putty knife in there and decompress the tabs, which the thing will pop up. But I like to save my time, excuse me, my time for searching in my tool bag for a putty knife. So anyway, so this obviously needs a door switch replacement. Obviously don't forget to turn off power. But this particular one, I'm not practicing what I preach, because this is experience. This is my experience will get you shocked too. But just pulling that out, she has wood floors. It had a stiff exhaust pipe in the back, so I could have been in for a bigger headache trying to plug that thing. So I say, just a door switch. I can just unplug the door switch, and I'll be okay. But yeah, I just didn't want to risk pulling that dryer out, scratching the floor, that vent pipe coming unhooked, just to unplug it, and then be fighting for an hour trying to get that vent pipe back on. So a common symptom of your dryer door switch is bad, and as you see, I use OEM parts, the original manufacturer parts. And you can have access to that by the link in the description to order yours. And see, here's the side-by-side comparison of the length of the door switch. Those kind of hard to see because they're black, but one is definitely bigger than the other. And you're gonna have two types of switches. You're gonna have one with 3 wires and one with 2. The difference is just a light. So if you have a light inside your dryer, then you're gonna have 3 switches, 3 wires. Excuse me. So a common symptom of a door switch is bad is number one, you just touch it. That's the first thing I do when somebody says my dryer won't power on. You just touch it, just clicking. It's good, most likely. And then, so your second issue might be a thermal fuse if it's not turning on at all. But thermal fuse, your start button, anything that has to do with it starting. So if the switch is broke, the dryer thinks that the door is open and won't turn on as a safety feature. But as you see, quick and easy repair. If you do it yourself, $20–$30. If you hire a professional to come in and do it for you, save your time, you look anywhere from $200–$250. And again, the cost of the part has nothing to do with somebody's labor. And then also the nice thing about having a professional come in, they actually look and see other things. And also don't get confused by watching YouTube videos and say, oh, it's my door switch, and you don't check anything. Again, this is excellent example is on this particular dryer. It turns off. The dryer will not turn on. And when the dryer does not turn on, it could be several things, not just the door switch. To clean, that's a habit too. Clean the lint filter. Looks like that was going for at least two. That's at least two loads worth of lint. that's the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.